And now on to Bengaluru. Videos showing inmates are using mobile phones and watching television inside the city's Parapana Agrahara Central Prison have now triggered a major investigation. Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara has now taken serious note of this incident. He sought a detailed report from the ADGP prisons B. Dayanand. In fact, the minister has warned of strict action against the jail officials if security lapses are indeed confirmed. Now viewers, in one of the videos which have gone viral, rape convict Umesh Reddy is reportedly seen using an Android phone while a television set is visible inside his cell. Now these visuals have certainly raised questions over the special privileges being extended to certain inmates. In fact, following the viral videos, prison officials also launched a large-scale search operation across all cells. And this included over 100 staff members taking part in this inspection. However, no illegal items were found during this raid. Officials suspect that the information about the raid may have been leaked to the inmates in advance, allowing them some time to conceal their prohibited items. Now, Karnataka Home Minister has also called a key meeting of senior police and prison officials to review this situation. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also assured that a strict and necessary action will be taken based on the findings of the inquiry that's underway. So in fact, visuals on your screen are showing you that how certain inmates get to excise and have access to in fact mobile phones and television sets inside Bengaluru's central prison. This certainly has raised a question about the security lapses, the role of prison staff, and of course the questions about that how these items which are prohibited made their way inside the barracks. At this point, the Home Minister has called a key meeting of senior police and prison officials. They're going to have a review of the situation and take stock as well. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who is under fire over this, has now assured that strict action will be taken based on the findings of the inquiry that's still underway. Remember, an inquiry is still underway to understand how these prohibited items made their way inside the barracks, who are the officials involved, because this could not have been taken place, in fact, without involvement of the prison staff. In fact, the Home Minister of the state has now sought a detailed report from the ADGP prisons B. Dayanand about the same. The minister has also warned of a strict action against jail officials if security lapses are indeed confirmed. Now, let me tell you also about the videos which have gone viral. In one of the videos, rape convict Umesh Reddy is reportedly seen using an Android phone while a television set is visible inside his cell. So such videos have certainly now raised questions about the security lapses.